In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Home Mini. Cue the intro. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel. In here, we review smart home products and family tech, as well as discuss tips and tricks that can help make our lives a little bit easier. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell as well. I will also have the show notes, the timestamp, as well as the affiliate links in the description box below. Alright, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Home Mini. First, you need to download the Google Home app. So this is what my Google Home app looks like. Now normally if it's brand new, sometimes they have this on this side here where it says Casa de Suson. Underneath it there should be like set up devices, but it's not there. So if that's not if that's the case, what you can do is you could also look for set up a nearby Chromecast device right there. You can tap to open Google Home app. What I normally like to do is I just go plus, set up device, set up new devices in your home, and choose a home. Yes, that's my home. And then now it's looking for devices. Because I have like a few, it will probably find all of them. Yeah. Okay. So what I will do is I'll just go ahead and tap Google Home Mini, because that's what I want to set up right now. So it's going to connect to this Google Home Mini. As you can see, the color has changed to blue, from white to blue. So that means it's connecting. Yeah, they're talking. They're saying like, hey, how you doing? You know, connecting to me, I'm connecting to you, and now we're connected. There's the sound. It says, did you hear that? Let's retry. Ah, yes. I heard that sound. And after that, I'm just going to say, no, thanks. Now, where is this device? This is in my office. So I'm going to put this up in there. So office, and then now connect to Wi-Fi. Automatically, it should automatically highlight the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. In this case, Spartan right there. All right now, so Google Home Mini will be connecting to Spartan to connect to the Google Home app. So once that's done, then that's it. They're now connected. All right, so you can just skip this if you want to. You can find out more, but just go next. All right, so afterwards, if let's say for example this is the first time that you have set up your Google Home Mini, Google Home, whatever it is, Google device that you have, you need to set up your voice match. All right, now because I already have my voice match on this device, I'm just gonna say no thanks. If you don't have it, tap on next. And you're gonna be, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. All right, so get personal results. It's really up to you. For me, I like personal, so I'm just gonna go agree. All right, now link music services. If you have any, I have free Spotify. I have now, because I have Google Play Music, I also have YouTube Music. So if you have anything else, then you can always add more. Deezer, I don't have a Deezer. I'm just gonna go next, and then right this one here, it will ask you for your default music service. So let's say for example, if I choose Spotify, every time I ask Google to play music, it will go to Spotify. If I turn on YouTube Music, it will go to YouTube Music. But in this case, I like Google Play Music. It's not too bad. So I'm just gonna tap next, and then get started with voice calls. This is with Duo. So if you have a Duo account, I do have a Duo account, then you can just continue. If not, just say not now. I'm just gonna go not now, and then done, finished. So here's a review of what you've done, all this setup, so on and so forth. I'm gonna continue, and now Office Speaker is ready. It should be ready.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant.
There you go.
I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Hey Google, what's up?
Nothing much, just listening to this whooping crane.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that like button right there. Smash it if you have to, or if you want to. If you don't like this video, hey, by all means, give it a thumbs down, but do something. Give me a comment. Let me know how you like this video. All right, and as always, I will see you in my next one.